I'm going to take just a minute to show you how to navigate and find the lecture videos in WebAssign. I'm going to go ahead and close these tabs actually before I share my screen and get to the top of my WebAssign. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and I'm logged into WebAssign, and you'll see that I'm in my math applications class. See all these assignments. You may not see all of them pop up, or you might, every view is a little bit different, but I am in student view. You'll notice the due dates over here. I just kind of want to point that out. I did get those fixed. My apologies on that. They just brought over from summer, and I thought I fixed them last weekend, and I did not. While I'm scrolling down kind of fast and kind of slowly, I want you to notice that at the end of every assignment, let's take a look at like sales tax. You see an SMI 7.1. That means that's in the Smith book. Or the credit card interest, SMI 7.4. That means it's in chapter 7, topic 4. If you continue to scroll down, let's say we want to go watch a video about length. That would be in the Offman book because of the AUF in chapter 8.1. So you'll be able to see what book it's supposed to be in, but you need to scroll all the way down and you will click the resources arrow. And then down below, there is the Smith book and the Offman book, right? We don't want to click the personal study plan. You're not going to see videos in there. We want to click, if I wanted to go to, let's say, go see credit card interest videos, you would click that red video or that red arrow. And then you're going to scroll down to where you see chapter 7. And then there is the credit card interest video, 7.4.
Suppose we enter
So what you need to know is these are pretty short videos. He does a great, very quick explanation, but it's not as thorough and they don't have as many examples as what I'll be teaching in class this semester. I plan to record class as long as technology allows this semester and post them in the unit videos or in the units that those videos go with. That's why your due dates are actually pushed a little bit later than my in-person, and your first assignment isn't due until September 3rd, so that there's time for me to record the videos and you watch them. However, these videos are sufficient, and it's what I've used in the past for this class. Okay, so let's say we want to go to the Offman book now. Say I wanted to go find out that, find that video for length. That's in chapter 8.1. So I would then scroll all the way down to the red arrow, Offman, that's underneath the resources. And I would see chapter 8, so I need to open that up. And then there's chapter 1, length. And you would push play.
Now we know that 12.
So that is a 4.5, almost 5-minute video. They are great videos. Super quick and easy. You just don't have provided notes. You'll just have to write them down and keep your own organization as you take notes for that content.